Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. It's been quite a while since I posted anything. Just been busy, but nothing really exciting. So I thought I'd post this because one thing I found about YouTube, it keeps me motivated. I think I've got to do something. But my friend FIXUMDUDE published a design, this big bat. And I printed a couple of these. And they turn out really nice. My wife loves them. Unfortunately, she's been giving them to friends and they love them, so I'm gonna make some more. But this is, I think, 400 by 400. I tried a 450 by 450, and it came out a little bit bigger, but it came off the bed, just right at that point there, so I backtracked. Other things I've been making, skeletons. These are pretty neat. They're flexible skeletons, they move. As I made a bunch of those. And then another design I found was these little ghosts that they have feet that spring on the bottom, so if you hold them down the right way they'll pop up. I haven't had the greatest luck with them, but made a bunch of those. And this pumpkin, I tried this filament that's orange on one side and black on the other. It's this right here, and it didn't come out quite the way I wanted it to, but it's fun to play with. So I've got my printers all set to run, except I don't have the power. So I'm going to have my daughter's friend's going to help me. He's an electrician. We're going to do some wiring down here. Right now I've got 120 amp line dedicated to these printers, but that's just not enough. So I'm going to put another 2 or 3 20 amp lines in so I can get everything running. Plus, my next big project is the rat rig. It's been sitting down here for almost a month now, waiting to be started on. So I'm going to try to do that. Print a bunch of these little pumpkin toothpaste tube squeezers and some fidget toys. I'm going to hand those out for Halloween. And then I've got a bunch of parts I'm putting together for Dan. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel. He's building or refurbishing probably mostly Ender 5s, Ender 3s to give away to people that need one. So I just told him I had some parts I could spare. I'm going to box those up and send them to him. But I'll put a link to his channel. And then the other big project took me a couple weeks is I put these cabinets together. I printed all these pieces on the sides to hold these drawers up. I had them in this other cart. It was actually an old server, but these work really well and they take up a lot less space and they stack everything. But I printed all those out ABS on the Prusa, and it worked really well. They came out great. But that way I can keep everything a little bit more organized. Not my middle name. My middle name's Messy, but that's what I'm working on, and hope to have some rat rig updates pretty soon. But thanks for helping me twist my arm and get things started. But I like to do things, and people ask me if I sell stuff, and I really don't, because then it becomes a job and not a hobby. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, if you would like any links on any of this material or these designs, let me know. I've posted them in the past, but I'm not sure anybody really looks at it. So if you want those, let me know. Thanks.